Open it, open it. You can open it. Ask Ate Jonalyn. Ay, huwag kong bubusin. Si Ate Jonalyn.
Wait for us.
Hi guys, so today ipaprank natin si Marcela ngayon kasi bumili ako nung pranking churba. Yan, check nyo na lang sa link. Ito yan, check nyo yan. Yan yung binili ko. Okay ba? Ipaprank natin siya. Excited na siya. Are you excited? Huh? You wanna open it? I'll just wait for Ate Jonalyn. Ay, grabe. Pagod na pagod ako. Nakalaya na po ang mga bata.
Mama, can you open it?
Yes, ask Ate Jonalyn to open it. You can open it here. There. Buksan mo na. Hindi. So, ang na-prank. It's a snake! Okay na yan. Sulit naman. Are you happy? Umingat.
Ba't talaga ako? Ano talaga ako?
Hindi kasi mabuksan ni Marcela eh.
Parang to.
Alright! Sana po nag-enjoy kayo sa ating prank ngayong araw na to. And thanks for watching. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Pero kung ayaw nyo ang panoorin, pwede po kayo mag-unsubscribe. Bye-bye. Bye! Open it!
Open it. It's a prank, Mama. It's a prank.
It's a prank!
Surprise.
Oh, you open it.
Open it.
Ano, malay sa face mo. Aray, Diyos ko Lord, nahapakan mo naman ako.
Oh, run.
Go, ready? Set. Oh, open it, anak. Ano mo kaya? Luwagan mo yung ano. Baka matamaan si Miguel. Malakas-lakas yan eh. Baka matamaan ha. Mabubuksan. Hindi ko mabubuksan na niya. Oh, open it now. Ayan na. It's safe na. There's a chips na there.
Ready. Ganito mo na buksan mo na. Surprise. Already. Go! 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 This is a prank now. It's a snake. Ano yung tsura niya? Ano yung tsura niya? It's a snake.
Wait lang.
Wala po. Snake. It's a snake.